guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making first video on this channel. So let's start. We are by this Sujata mixer. So the mixer is unboxing. You can see it. I buy this from Amazon. I will give you link in description and you press on that link and buy this mixer. This mixer is of 900 watts, which is best. And I will also share on a comment and I will pin that comment, so you have to only click on that link, so you will come and you have to buy. So you can see this mixer. This is 900 watts motor, more powerful. And also very good. So you can see this mixer is unboxing. So I will pause the video till opening this mixer. The mixer is now open. The box means the box is now open. You will get this. You will get also this. And also this. And you can also see this. This is a jar and of a good quality. And you can see also other things. So you can see this is a mixer. You can see, but there is a very good quality, also metal. So I love this review. You can see. And we will also after test this mixer. You can see what is the quality. Let's check a quality. This quality is very good. And you can see glass. See what the hell. The text is very superb. There is also full high, low and off. High, low, off and see it. So guys, you see the test. So when I press this button, it will say some small. You can see the jar of juice. So you can see what a testing that is in the best mixer. This is very best mixer. I love the quality and I love the speed. In low, it is not feeling that is low. In 2 seconds it will make. So guys, how you think how this mixer is very good, and I will give you review. This is very, I will give 5 stars this feedback because this mixture is very good quality and very fast. So if you want to like this channel, so press on like, then subscribe, then you have to click on subscribe, then click on bell icon and click on all button for my new videos and my all notifications when I send you new videos. Like if you want to see this video and you forgot this name, so you can see this video. So we will meet at next video, and bye bye.